Hello, my Peppa lovers. Welcome back. Today I brought you Peppa Pig. Peppa's 1, 2, 3 Go counting box. There are 8 counting books there. So we will unboxing this box today and going to read it with you. Let's see. 2. Alright, let's see inside the box. In here we can see 1, 2, 3 go, space countdown, hop hop hopscotch, Peppa's football team, star spotting, how many, fruit picking fun and surprise is there. So let's see and let's read the book set. Here we go. There are nice 8 books inside this lovely box. Let's see. This is surprise. Yes, it's so nice. And this is fruit picking fun. You can see the numbers here. And here, how many? And here we can see star spotting. And here we go, this Peppa's football team. And hip hop hopscotch. And here space countdown. And 1, 2, 3 go book. We will see you again with next time to read one of these books. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
Booktube Kids.